According to the CDC, 78.6 million American adults are obese. The purpose of my speech is to inform you on how to lose weight and alleviate obesity. Obesity can be alleviated by following a healthy eating plan, becoming physically active, and monitoring your weight, your sleep, and your stress. The first component is following a healthy eating plan. You do this by eating 5 servings of colorful fruits and vegetables per day, avoiding packaged and processed food because they contain too many sugars and preservatives. Cooking fresh fruit food allows you to control what goes into your food. Eating smaller portions. My Plate is a government website which is a great resource for families who would like to lead healthier lives. They have descriptions on all the different items in the different food groups and what portion sizes are appropriate. They have different tools such as a BMI calculator. They have Super Tracker, which allows you to track your food and daily exercise. So it's just a great resource for people to use when they are trying to lead a more healthy lifestyle. Another way that you follow a healthy eating plan is by drinking more water, avoiding sugary drinks. It is recommended that adults drink between 8 to 10 glasses of water a day. You need to read the labels. The labels indicate what saturated fats are in your foods, what sugars, and what sodiums are in your food. The second component to alleviate obesity is becoming physically active. You do this by walking every day. Small changes such as parking further away when you're going up to a store makes a difference over time. Go to a gym or exercise class whenever possible. It is good because you are able to be around people that are also physically active, and this can motivate you to continue on doing strength training is a great way to lose weight. Not only are you burning fat, but you're building lean muscle. According to American Heart Association, 30 minutes of physical activity is recommended per day. Now, the last component in alleviating obesity is monitoring your weight, your sleep, and your stress. You do this by journaling. You can journal your food intake as well as your exercise, and that way you can take account of what foods you are putting in and what kind of exercise that you're doing each day. You need to use a BMI calculator to calculate your body mass index. Someone with a BMI over 24 is considered overweight. Someone with a BMI over 30 is considered to be obese. You also need to weigh yourself. Weighing yourself every 2 weeks is a great way to keep track of your weight. People who weigh themselves consistently are more conscious of their weight, but you need to be very careful not to overweigh yourself, such as weighing yourself daily, because this can be counterproductive into your weight loss efforts. You need to get between 7 to 8 hours of sleep per day. Lack of sleep leads to weight gain. You need to find ways to relieve stress. The stress hormone cortisol is linked to weight gain, and it also is more likely to have you crave junk food. So you need to find ways to relieve stress, such as reading, writing, or meditating. These are all great ways to help you relieve stress and ultimately lose weight. So if you follow these steps, you will be able to alleviate obesity if you follow your healthy eating plan, become more physically active, and monitor your weight, monitor your sleep, and also your stress. We will be able to alleviate obesity, and we'll all be able to live